Well, hello, Ricebird Nation, and welcome to the March 6th edition of Ricebird News. We'll start the news with some celebrations. Tomorrow is Maintenance Worker Appreciation Day. Thank you to all of our Ricebird maintenance staff for your excellent work in maintaining our classrooms, offices, facilities, and libraries. Your commitment is greatly appreciated. Keep up your exceptional effort. This week, we are also celebrating our outstanding educational diagnosticians during Texas Educational Diagnostician Week. These dedicated ladies evaluate students who need extra support in the classroom. Their commitment equips future leaders with essential skills for lifelong success. So thank you to these exceptional educators for their tireless efforts to help and support our students. El Campo ISD's diagnosticians are Ginger Kochel, Laura Motal, Stacy Amistoy, Taryn Staff, and Stephanie Cortez. Thanks, ladies. And we're also celebrating our parent liaison who strives to enhance communication between school and home by assisting parents in accessing the necessary information to support their child's academic and social achievements at school. So thank you to Michelle Fernandez for all you do for El Campo ISD and for the parents and students of our community. Some reminders, as I have to remind you about this first one. Spring break is almost here. Students will have a half day of school tomorrow, Friday, March 7th, to kick off their week-long break from March 10th through March 14th. Then students will have an additional day on Monday, March 17th, while the staff participates in a professional development day to prepare for the upcoming STAR testing and the final push for the 24-25 school year. Tonight is the Derby Doll information meeting at the Derby Doll Gym located on Avenue F. The meeting will begin at 5:30. Come meet Mrs. Abedin and hear all about the Derby Doll tryouts. The prom is this Saturday, March 8th in Ricebird Gym. The doors will open from 3 to 5 for anyone to come view and take pictures. Parents and guests with tickets can enter the courtyard at 6:30 for the Grand March that will begin at 7. The prom announcement and detailed information can be found at ecisd.org/prom. Congratulations to our Special Olympians on their accomplishments at some recent events. Summer Guthrie earned a gold medal from the Special Olympics Winter Games. Xander Marufo, Felix Saenz, and Timothy Armstrong won medals at the Gulf Coast basketball competition. And thank you to Kristen Say for always making sure our Ricebirds shine. Congratulations to the middle school rodeo art winners. 2 young ladies have their pictures displayed throughout the rodeo in the Hayloft Gallery at NRG Stadium. Recognition went to Vivian Daniel, who won Best in Show, and Nancy Beechwood, whose work was recognized with a gold ribbon. And look at all these elementary academic UIL winners. Hutchins and Northside kids racked up some medals at the annual competition. For individual results, as you can see by the numbers, check our website and social media. In sports, let's hear it for our Ladybird powerlifters and Coach Vaquera. At the regional meet this weekend, they placed second as a team. Individually, Bethany Huggins is a regional champ and was recognized with her weights as best squat. Scarlett Martin is a regional champ, and she set a regional record for her squat lift and a regional record for total lifts. Adrienne Rodriguez is a regional champ. Ali Esparqueta placed second. Catherine Nix and Arabelle Zarate each placed third in their weight class. And the next stop is the state meet on the 14th. And good luck to the boys at the regional meet today in Navasota. In golf, the Ricebirds did it again. Both the red and white teams brought home first place titles from the Calhoun tournaments. On the red team, Rhett Russell tied for first medalist. Trace Matthews tied for fourth medalist. And on the white team, Connor Savino placed as first medalist. Landon Hickel, second medalist. Duncan Harris, third medalist. Connor Ritz was fourth medalist. Mark your calendar. Watch these boys in action at the El Campo Country Club on Monday, March 17th, followed by the girls on Thursday, March 20th. In soccer, the JV team plays Calhoun at home this evening at 5:30, and the varsity teams close out their seasons tomorrow night at Ricebird Stadium against Rice Consolidated. The girls play at 5:30, followed by the boys at 17. We'll learn about their playoff berth over spring break. So look to our website and to our social media for more information. In softball, the Lady Birds went 5-0 at the tournament in Victoria last weekend. They beat Wharton this week, and they host Needville tomorrow night at 5-7. The JV also hosts a tournament today and Saturday at Legacy Fields. The varsity baseball team went undefeated at the Yoakum tournament last weekend. Starting today, they will host the tournament at Legacy Fields. Check out our athletics calendar on our website for all the ball games over spring break. And good luck to the track and field teams at the Cuero meet this afternoon and to tennis at their match in Wharton. Thanks for all you do, but please, most importantly, have a safe, restful, and enjoyable spring break. That's all for today. Thanks, and go Ricebirds.